What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a unboxing and first impressions of a new watch band for the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 4, as well as the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Okay, so this is a black mesh style magnetic bracelet for your Galaxy Watch. Looks like it comes with this couple pieces here. We've got this mesh band. Looks like we've got a magnet here. There we go. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so we've got and it looks like that is it. We also have a spring bar here. Is that to focus? There we go. Looks like it's a quick release spring bar to attach the band, and we've got a little adapter here. Let's see, get that to focus. And it looks like this adapter is what the band's gonna, or the strap is gonna go through. So let's go ahead and put this on. So let's see, so I've got here the Galaxy Watch 4, and so we're just gonna go ahead and take off the stock band here that's on here, and I'll just pop that off of there. And pop that one out of there. There we go. And let's see. So it looks like this is going to go on the top portion here. And this has a quick release spring bar, so we just push back there. Push back until that locks in place. Yeah, there we go. Just make sure that that's in there. And then we're going to attach the band. So we're going to take our other spring bar, pop that in this part of the band here, and sure that's go ahead and insert one side, pull back, and insert the other. There we go. So we've got our band on here, and it looks like it just goes right through this loop here. And there we go. So that is on the Galaxy Watch 4. Let's go ahead and try that on. And there we go. Looks super easy to put on. It is magnetic, so you can get a perfect adjustment, perfect fit, depending on the size of your wrist. Let's go ahead and take it off of the Galaxy Watch 4, and we'll go ahead and install it on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So once again, we just remove those pieces here and here. And let's go ahead and take off this Moby Fox band we have. And same thing, so flip the Galaxy Watch over, that pin in one side, pull back on the other side, make sure that locks in. Same thing with this side, make sure that that little pin is in there. There we go. And go ahead and pop that on. Very strong magnet. Take this off the camera here. And there we go, that's on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Just a different kind of strap for your Galaxy Watches. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when new content is uploaded. Thanks for watching.